Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with the best tips and recommendations for all your pool needs. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most convenient ways to keep your pool clean: robotic pool cleaners. These devices have revolutionized pool maintenance, and we're here to help you choose the best one for your needs. So, let's dive right in. When it comes to selecting a robotic pool cleaner, there are a few key factors to consider. First, you need to determine whether the cleaner is designed for in-ground or above-ground pools. While some models can handle both types, others are specifically designed for one or the other. After thoroughly testing various models, we've narrowed down our top picks based on several criteria. We looked at ease of setup and use, portability, cleaning efficiency, and maintenance requirements. With that said, let's introduce you to our favorite robotic pool cleaner for 2022. Introducing the Ofuzzi Terrain 10 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. This impressive cleaner is specifically designed for in-ground pools up to 50 feet in length. Let me tell you, it's a game changer. The Terrain 10 is equipped with 3 powerful motors for excellent scrubbing and suction capabilities. During our tests, it effortlessly maneuvered around our pool, climbing walls and steps with surprising speed. Its smart navigation system ensured that every nook and cranny was thoroughly cleaned. We were impressed by how quickly the Terrain 10 cleared our 235-foot backyard pool, taking only about 30 minutes. Even our rough and deep water walls were left sparkling clean. The performance was truly remarkable. Controlling the Terrain 10 is a breeze. You can use the included remote, which is intuitive and easy to learn. But if you prefer, you can also control the cleaner through a smartphone app. It's all about convenience. Now, let's talk about maintenance. Like any robotic pool cleaner, the Terrain 10 requires regular care to keep it running smoothly. The cleaning and filter setup are relatively simple, but we found that disassembling the large filter basket for a thorough cleaning was a bit time-consuming. The Terrain 10 comes with a handy chemical dispenser, making it easy to add chlorine to your pool. However, we did encounter some issues with the water sensor, which occasionally had trouble determining when the cleaner needed to add chlorine. Hopefully, this is something that Ofuzzi will address in future models. So, there you have it, our top pick for the best robotic pool cleaner in 2022, the Ofuzzi Terrain 10. It offers excellent cleaning performance, smart navigation, and the convenience of remote or smartphone control. Just make sure to give it the proper care and maintenance it needs. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this guide helpful in choosing the right robotic pool cleaner for your needs. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.